Welcome everyone to this really brief but in-depth a little bit demo of our Creatory AI product. Now I'm super excited to bring this program, this platform, this amazing tool to the marketplace that's going to actually change your business forever. And that's a big statement to make. But when you see what the power of Creatory AI is, what it can do for your business, how it can allow you to now compete at a whole different level than you're currently doing inside of your business, whether it's a brick and mortar business, whether you're an online affiliate marketer, it doesn't matter. This platform will work for you across every single industry where you need to get omnipresence, where you need to be present on multiple social media platforms. So let's dive into it a little bit and talk about how Creatory AI is going to revolutionize your social media content. Basically, Creatory AI is going to allow you to post content at scale. And when I say at scale, when you think about some of the largest players in the affiliate marketing space or in the online marketing space, the Alex Hermosis, the Gary V's, the Mr. Beasts, these guys have massive, massive teams that work for them, right? And they're able to put out content at scale every single day to do what? Create brand awareness and to build audience. Two of the most important things in your sales process. So the challenge is, how do we create engaging social media content every single day consistently? I don't know about you, but I talk to many, many, many marketers every single day. And this is a really big problem. Whether it's not having the time availability to put into posting content every single day or some other excuse, Creatory AI is going to take that away and give you the opportunity to compete at scale with some of those larger players that I just talked about. So what are the key statistics when it comes to being consistent and why we're inconsistent? Number one, it's the amount of time that we have to spend creating social media content every day. If you're anything like me, when you sit down to record a TikTok video or when you sit down to do something on Instagram, you're constantly tweaking it, playing around with it. Before you know it, an hour has gone by and you're still working on one piece of content. Okay. So there's that inconsistency that happens all the time. Maybe you wake up today and you go, you know what? I just don't feel like creating any content today. And it doesn't happen. And what happens when that happens? You lose momentum. The other thing is a lack of creativity. Sometimes we just get blocked. We don't know what we want to put out next. We don't know what kind of content our audience is looking for. We just don't have the creative edge to continue to put creative content out every single day across all of our social media. And the impact of that is that we're losing engagement and we're missing opportunities. So I want to introduce you to Creatory AI, your all-in-one solution for creating social media content at scale every single day. So how does Creatory AI address your challenges? Address some of these things we're talking about. It allows you to post content across all platforms multiple times a day. For example, it will post to Instagram. It will post to your Facebook page. It will post to your Facebook group. It will post to Twitter. It will post to Instagram. It will post to TikTok. It will post to YouTube. It will post to LinkedIn. If you're not a presence across all of these channels, you're missing the opportunity to put your offer, what you have to offer people, in front of them. Here's some of the key features of Creatory AI. First of all, it's scalability. It's completely up to you what content goes out of Creatory AI every day. Should you be creating this omnipresence across multiple channels? Absolutely. So it gives you the scalability to produce 20 to 25 pieces of content every single day across all of your social media channels. It allows you to be consistent. Why? Because on day one, you're going to come in and give Creatory AI an idea of the week, a topic of the week, something that you want to focus on during the course of the week. And then for the next 7 days, Creatory AI is going to create the content for you and post it every single day across those channels that I just mentioned. It's also going to give you some creativity. It's powered by AI technology, GPT-4 and other AI platforms that work in tandem inside of Creatory AI to make sure that your content is not only being engaged on, but it's moving your client or prospect through your sales process. What are the benefits of using Creatory AI? Number one, it is going to save you a massive amount of time. You can literally do the content creation that I just mentioned in as little as 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's right. You heard that correct. 10 to 15 minutes a day, and you're omnipresent across all of those channels, getting your offers in front of the eyeballs they need so that you can start engaging with your prospects. It's going to boost your engagement because you're going to be putting out enough content now that you cannot be ignored by these platform algorithms. And it's going to, most importantly, enhance your brand presence. Every single piece of content that Creatory AI creates will build your brand awareness. That is a major, major piece of your sales process. So what does that look like? Well, here's an example of our Instagram account. This is one of our test accounts. And so you can see the Creatory AI branding that is going across every single post dynamically. So once we set up a template for you in terms of what you want your branding to look like consistently, the content just gets created on the fly. I could sit here and talk about Creatory AI all day long. I'm the founder and creator. It's near and dear to my heart. I know it can make a massive, massive change in any industry inside of your business. But let's go have some fun and watch a demo here of us creating a content piece using Creatory AI. In this video, we're going to do a quick demo to show you exactly how Creatory AI posts content to all of your social channels at scale. But we're going to specifically look at a Facebook page today, just so this is a little bit shorter of a demo inside of this webinar. So I'm going to click sign in, and you guys will all get a unique system that you're logging into. You're not sharing anything. You're not sharing a backend. You're not sharing records. It's unique to you. Okay, so when you log in, you're going to see 7 days worth of content, right? So it's going to produce 7 days worth of content on a particular topic designed to move your prospects for whatever you're promoting, sort of through your sales process using what we want to call content funnels, or content designed to move the prospect forward. So we're going to go day one, and we're going to click on this box here where we're going to enter our topic for our content. Now, inside of your system, you will have ChatGPT access right here. So if you have writer's block, if you aren't sure what topic to use, you want some assistance with some ideas, you can use ChatGPT right here to come up with some ideas for topics. Find one you like, copy and paste it into here, and away we go. So I'm going to use today how to leverage AI technology to grow, to scale my marketing. Okay? Or how to use AI, I should say, technology to scale your marketing. Okay. And then I'm going to click create and ready to proceed. Submit the topic. And when I do that, Creatory AI is now going out and creating content at scale for all platforms. So it's producing content for your Instagram account. It's producing content for your Facebook, both a page, so a business page or a group or both. It's producing content for TikTok. It's producing content for YouTube. It's producing content for Pinterest. It's producing content for LinkedIn. So if you're not on all these platforms, you should be, because this system will give you the omnipresence that you're looking for. It's creating content at scale every single day across all of these platforms to build audience, to build brand awareness, and ultimately lead to sales. And it doesn't matter what niche you're in. It doesn't matter what business you're in. The content can be centered around whatever it is that you're promoting, whatever it is that your business sells. The content can be created around those things. So I'm just letting this sort of do its thing. It takes about a minute. I like to just let this kind of sit here for a second, just so I make sure I get everything back. And then we'll have a look at how we're going to post to Facebook, in particular, a Facebook page in this particular demo. So that should be plenty of time. I'm going to go ahead and click, let's start with Facebook. And when I do that, you're going to see that it's created a really good post for Facebook. So let's click that. And now you can see the first thing you're going to see is that it produces a branded image. Okay, so you guys will have the ability to customize this inside of your system where you're going to create your own brand, your own imagery, your own logos. All of that can be done on the image that goes along with the posts. And my team would work with you on branding. So if you're not really sure what you want to use, if we want to come up with some kind of custom design, that's all done as part of the onboarding of Creatory. And then it produced the post, right? So here's the post details. And then you have the ability to come in and edit that. So I'm going to click update because I see some things that I might want to change a little bit, right? So sometimes you want a little bit different spacing. So you might hit enter there. I might hit enter there. You can see this particular post is showing problems and solutions. So I might want to separate those out a little bit in the post. Give that a little space. Very simple edit feature here. You can just run through this and change anything you want. This one I think is where we have our call to action. So in this particular example, our AI platform, Creatory AI, is what we're using as a call to action. You guys will be able to customize your calls to action. You can change them on the fly for whatever it is that you're promoting or marketing. You have the ability to change these calls to action inside Creatory. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. I'm going to click update. Actually, I'm going to change this to ready to post. I'm sorry. Move that to edit and update. Now you can see it's formatted the post over here. I can see the post looks pretty good. I like it. So I'm going to click next. Now it's telling me that it's ready to post this to Facebook. Okay, so in this example, again, we're going to post to a page. You can post to a page. You can post to a group. You can post to both. You have lots of options there. I'm just going to click post now. Post to my Facebook page and click update. Now I'm going to click the next button. And when I do that, it's going to actually initiate that post to my Facebook page, and we'll have a look at that. So I click next, and you can see it's moving on to Instagram. So it takes you through every single platform. You don't have to really do anything. Once you have your post edited, it's already good to go. I would just approve that for Instagram and let it post. But let's have a look out here. I'm just giving that a second to post. And then we'll take a look inside our Facebook page. So this is our Facebook page. And if we scroll down a little bit, I'm going to refresh the page so you guys can see it refreshed. If I refresh the page, here's the post that it just did. And as you can see, it's exactly what we were just looking at. Very nice long form post going right onto my Facebook page. And of course, the image that we just looked at. Now you can switch these images out. You can change them inside of where I updated and edited the post. You can change the branding. You can change everything inside Creatory. So that's a demonstration, quick walkthrough of how it produces content, the quality of the content that it produces, and how it posts to your social media. In this video, we're going to do a quick demo to show you exactly. So hopefully, guys, that was a good walkthrough example of just one platform. Now think about posting at scale every single day in a very similar way across all of your platforms. You have the ability to customize your content. So like you saw that branded image there, you can swap out any images on any posts during the edit process. And the post that the system is creating is custom designed to fit the specs of whatever the platform is, whether it's LinkedIn or, for example, a pin on Pinterest that is a little bit taller and narrower image, right? So the system is completely set up and designed to work effectively on every single platform and sort of tailor your messaging along the way over the course of 7 days to move your prospect, your client, your potential client closer to your offer in a much faster way. So the final output is stunning. More importantly, it's consistent and it creates engaging content. How much better of a situation would you be in if you were focused on having the better conversations that your content is going to lead to versus spending hours creating the content itself? Massive time freedom to focus on what is truly an income generating action, and that is having those conversations, whether it's in Messenger, whether it's a phone call, whether it's somewhere on your website, etc. Within Creatory AI, you also have the ability to manage when your content posts. We have a inherent built-in system that is constantly looking at all the social media channels and looking at the optimal posting times. These change. The algorithms change. There's a AI tool being used to constantly look at what the best times to post are. You can either set your content to post at that schedule or schedule at a time that you want your posts to go out. So what are some common questions that I get about Creatory AI? Well, the number one question that we've been getting recently is, can I use Creatory AI for multiple businesses? The answer to that is 100% yes. And you can do so without paying an additional cost. That's right. If you have multiple businesses, let's say you have an affiliate marketing business on the side and an e-commerce store, or a brick and mortar business, a restaurant, a real estate company, and you're doing some additional affiliate marketing or something else on the side, we will clone the system and give you access to 2 platforms to post to both of your businesses at the single cost of purchasing Creatory AI. What are some key takeaways? Well, you guys need to be empowering your social media strategy. I've said this over and over, but it's really true. AI technology is not going to replace marketers, but it will replace the marketers that don't use AI. Let that sink in. If you're not taking advantage of the massive power that these tools have to create engaging content, to create consistent content, and to lead to better engagement that ultimately leads to sales, you are going to get left behind. So today we have a really, really special offer for anybody that's watching this webinar, or if you've come in under an affiliate inside of our program, we have a discount code that we can offer you to get started today. So if you've come to this webinar by way of someone's link and they haven't provided you with their very special discount code, ask them for it. If you've landed here as a result of a search or some other way that you aren't affiliated with anybody else that's brought you here, then we will provide you with the same discount. So what are the next steps? Well, you have a decision to make. Are you going to continue to suffer creating content every day, or should I say not creating content every day, not posting to all the platforms where your audience may be, not reaching enough people that you're effectively creating sales in your business? Or are you going to draw a line in the sand today and commit to a change? We're here to help you. The onboarding process for Creatory AI is very, very hands-on. There's a live call. We set up your accounts. We walk through everything step by step with you. We live test your system before you go live. We make sure that you are going to get the maximum value out of what is an incredibly cheap, for lack of a better word, opportunity to take advantage of massive technology to move your business forward. You can compare our pricing to anything out there. Go look at some of these amazing AI tools that are out there. Jasper AI, for example. They charge monthly fees. A lot of these AI platforms charge monthly fees. You can get in today for an extremely low one-time cost only and literally get every enhancement that we're ever going to put inside of the system. And believe me, there is a lot on the table to add to make this even better. Absolutely get every one of those enhancements for free by purchasing today. So I want to thank you for checking out Creatory AI. Go to our website, click on the live chat. If you've got questions, reach out to our support team. We are happy to address any questions you have. Reach out to the person that brought you here. Check in with them. Ask them how they're doing with the system. But take advantage of the massive power that AI has to move your business to another level. So thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.